our house. Ooh, look at the snow. Taking a walk down 7-Eleven. Okay. Shannon was looking out the window before. The neighbor. House next door. Down the road, the apartments. Boy, they said it may be over a foot. Shannon's looking out the window. Okay, bye-bye.